Good morning, myself Akshay, and today's my technical topic is the Java. Java technical topic is the constructor and different type of a constructor. So in this video, we have to discuss actually what is the constructor, and the constructor consists of the different type of a. And now we have to discuss one by one. So first of all, we have to know what is the constructor. Constructor means it's the special type function that is used for the initialize the object, means constructor have no any explicit return type. Now constructor is a block of code to the similar method. Now it is called when the instant class is required. Now in the constructor, suppose there is no any uh, default values, there are no any values, that time automatically default value is the call. Constructor is used for the using new keyword for the constructor is using the new keywords. Now some important topic about the constructor. Constructor is a special type function, and that is a no return type. Constructor is a same name as a class name, means suppose we have to declare is a any class name, that time we can declare the same as a class name. Suppose we have to making any method any things, that time we are using the different type of method, that time all the class method as well as the same class name as a constructor name. Constructor is a no explicitly written type. It is used actually initialize the object, that we have to initialize any object, that time we are use a constructor. Constructor cannot have a final, a final, static, synchronized method. Constructor cannot be can have the abstract, non-abstract final method. Now we have to discuss the different type of a constructor. First one is a there are mainly two type of a constructor. First one is default constructor, and second one is a parameterized constructor. Now we have to discuss default constructor. If the constructor have no any value, that time we are using the default constructor, and the default constructor the value is always a 0. Means suppose we have to declare any constructor, and there are that time there are no any argument or any variable, that time we automatically call the default values. Now second type of a parameterized constructor. In this parameterized constructor, suppose we are using, we have to provide the different type of a parameterized. Actually parameterized constructor divided into 0 parameterized, 1 parameterized. We have to providing one argument, that time we are using the one parameterized. Suppose two parameterized constructor, means we are providing the two values of argument, or we provide the two values of a of means methods, that time we are known as a two parameterized constructor. And the third one is a actually we are not included in the types, but it is a copy constructor. In the copy constructor, we are using the copy one constructor to the another constructor, that time we are using the copy constructor. In the copy constructor, we are only copy the only values from the one constructor to another constructor. And that is a there are about three types are much more important in the constructor: default constructor, parameterized constructor, and third one is a copy constructor. And we have to know these are most important in the programming language. Suppose it is important to the we have to reduce the suppose we are reusability, means we don't use the multiple time of the method. That things they are much more important in our object in Java programming language. Now constructor this constructor are mostly used for reusability. Means we have to declare at once, we can execute the multiple times, and most important thing is that once we declare, that time we are using the same name as a class name, we are using in the multiple time for the in any other codes, means we don't think about the different type of method. So these things are much more important. So this all about the constructor. So thank you so much.